Hi there, in this video I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you roll an option in Robinhood. In order to roll an option in Robinhood, now option rolling is where you could close an option position and simultaneously open a new one, typically with an expiry that's further out in time and sometimes using a different strike price as well. Now rolling option does not ensure a profit or guarantee against a loss. You may also end up compounding your losses as well. Now, in order to roll an option in Robinhood, you need to go to the option change, then create a multiple leg order, closing your current contract and opening a new one. This is the simplest way to roll an option in Robinhood. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.